Now, in our last example, the forces are all pointing out normal to the face, and this is the result we get. Uniform, symmetric, equal all around. What happens if we reverse these arrows on the top and the side? They're still all normal, but they're facing in the same direction. Do we get the same result or something similar? So let's go take a look, and we'll go to these forces on the top, and that's over right here. We'll just click on that, then we click on the force text that appears, and we want to reverse that, and so we simply go up here and say flip direction. Yep, that's what we want. And now we'll go down to the next force, force 2. We want these arrows facing the same way as this, so we'll click on the text again, reverse the direction. Right mouse click to accept, go back up to generative design, and let's generate. And we'll just leave it at 50%. Now while that's processing, take a look at what we have. It's all uniform, nice on the sides, it's supported on each corner. Will this come back with the same result, similar result, or will it be completely different? And the result we have, it's still symmetric, but oddly enough, it's symmetric not around the X or the Z axis, it's symmetric around this line right here. Now, another thing I'm noticing is these webs out here are getting rather thin. And so my first instinct might be to go back and say, well, I'll reduce the material from 50. I want to add mass, so I'd go this way. But that may not be the right approach. What happens if I go the other way and push this out to say 65? So this is at 50% mass reduction. If I push it out to 65, will these webs disappear? Will they just reduce in number? And so I'd rather push it the other way and keep reducing material first before I back off and add material. And so here's the result when we reduce the material by 65%. And this may be more than strong enough for what we're trying to do. If we went back the other way from 65%, what would 35% look like? Let's just run that. So here's the result when we reduce the mass only by 35%. So in review, we get a dramatically different result by having the arrows go in the same direction.